Welcome to the AppWise tutorial video to help you learn Kayak. Kayak is an easy tool for all your travel needs. Use it to search for flights, get reviews for hotels, and reserve rental cars. Kayak also has a nice way to narrow your search results and organize them so it's easy to focus on the exact offer you want. Once you learn how Kayak works, you will be able to explore other travel apps. You will also be able to apply what you learn about sorting and filtering to manage large lists of search results in other apps. The basic Kayak app is free. To get the Kayak app from the App Store, the easiest way to find it is to search for it by name using the search window. Tap the Search Store twice to get your keyboard at the bottom of the screen. Then type Kayak. You may notice that Kayak populates in the list below your search as you are typing. You can select it from the list or tap the search button on your keyboard. In both cases, you should see the Kayak app at the top of your screen. We will use Kayak for this AppWise tutorial instead of Kayak Pro, since we are only reviewing the basics today. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, you can pause the video now, download the app, and restart the video when you're ready. Now, we will show you the different sections of the home screen in Kayak. Use the list of white icons on the left side to select where you would like to begin. The icons are an airplane for searching flights, a person in a bed for hotels, a car to search for rental cars. The compass lets you see every possible destination you can travel to from any location in the world. The airplane with the lines radiating from it allows you to track flights to see if they're on time and which gate you can expect them to arrive at. The suitcase in Kayak lets you create an account where you can save trip information. At the very bottom is a gear icon where you can change your settings for Kayak. Let's begin by searching for a flight by tapping on the airplane icon on the left side of the screen. The search window will open to the default round trip. Choose your departure date by tapping on the line titled Depart. Kayak will open a calendar window. If you swipe the screen up and down, you can view the months on the calendar. Select the date you want by tapping on the calendar. You can choose the return date for the flight the same way. Simply tap on the date you like on the calendar. Select your departure airport by tapping on the From line. You can type the name of the city you're flying from by typing in the search box. You may also select Current Location from the search list, and Kayak will pick the airport closest to you. Then tap the To line to select where you want to fly. You can change the number of travelers by tapping the plus or the minus buttons on either side of the number to increase or decrease the number of travelers in your party. Finally, tap Search to get a list of flights, and Kayak will return a group of results. If you'd like to try practicing searching for a flight, feel free to pause the video now and practice finding a flight using your iPad. A nice feature of Kayak is the sorting and filtering. It allows you to narrow your search results and organize them. The button in the upper right-hand corner that looks like a funnel lets you filter out results by a variety of criteria. The button to the right of the filter icon allows you to sort the results in different ways. In this case, if you want to find a flight that departs later in the day, you could choose Leaving Latest from the sorting tool by tapping the line called Leaving Latest, and Kayak will rearrange the search results in that order. You can also narrow the results if you like to fly with a particular airline. Select the Filter button by tapping. Then select on the label Airlines. To select Delta flights only, you can unselect the other airlines by tapping on American and United to remove the check marks. Then only Delta will have a check mark, and when you tap Done and close the filter window by tapping on the screen anywhere outside the filter window, only Delta flights will appear in the search results. To get more details on a particular flight, simply tap anywhere on the line that includes the flight information you are interested in. Kayak will provide a full itinerary for the flight. Tap anywhere on the row with the price and the airline name to begin the booking process. Sometimes, Kayak will send you to a vendor site, and sometimes you will be able to book directly through Kayak. Kayak will tell you if it's taking you to a vendor website and will carry all the information about your reservation with it, so you don't have to re-enter your data. You can return to the Kayak app at any time by tapping the Close button in the upper right of the screen. The app will warn you that you will lose your data in the website if you leave. If you want to exit the booking process, just click Leave, and you will be back in the Kayak app. If you want to exit this flight, just tap anywhere on the background of the screen and you will be back at the list of flights. If you would like to practice searching for flights on Kayak, feel free to pause the video now and practice on your own. Kayak also makes it easy to search for a hotel. Just select the hotel icon from the list on the right. You will see that Kayak pre-populated the information from my flight search to make the process quicker if I need a hotel to go with my flight. If you tap Search, we'll change the number of guests and tap Search. Kayak will return a list of hotels with rooms available on the dates you are traveling. You can also view the results on a map if you would like to see where the hotels are located. Just click View as Map in the lower right-hand corner. If the map is crowded, you may want to zoom in to get a better view. Kayak uses standard iPad pinch to zoom functionality, so it's easy to expand the map. If there's a particular place you'd like to stay, you can type on the icon on the map and the name of the hotel will appear. Then tap on the blue button to get more information about the hotel. The booking information and costs are on the first tab. The next tab shows you an overview of the hotel. Tap on the Photos tab and you can scroll through pictures of the hotels by swiping left to right or right to left. And finally, if you want to see what other people thought about the hotel, tap on the Reviews tab. To begin booking, just tap on the Booking tab, and you can choose how you want to book your hotel. Here you can see that you can book with Kayak or a variety of other booking engines, and to do that, you simply tap on Book Online. You can also close this window by clicking Close and Leave. And then if you would like to view these as a list instead of the map, go ahead and View as List in the lower right-hand corner. You can access the same information by tapping on a line that displays the hotel you're interested in. And you'll get the same sort of booking overview, photo, and review information as you were able to access on the map. If you would like to practice searching for a hotel on Kayak, feel free to pause the video now and practice on your own. Now that you've learned how to use Kayak to search for flights, select hotels, and book travel, you're set to plan a trip. You may want to explore the flight tracker or find destinations features if you want to get more out of Kayak. You may also want to try other travel apps like Expedia, Travelocity, or TripAdvisor. Now that you understand the basic functionality of travel reservation and booking apps. Enjoy your trip!